Okay, let's use the zero product rule. So on the first one, it's a product that equals 0. So that means x equals minus 2y. And the other one is going to be 4x equals 3y. All right? Okay, I'm going to plug them in now. I'm going to plug it into the second equation. And what do you get there? Let's take a look. Let's see, x is equal to minus 2y. So what do you get? You get 3. When I square the minus 2y, I get 4y squared. Then what do you get over here? You get minus 5x. I'm sorry, not 5x, my mistake. Minus 5 times minus 2y times y. And then you get minus 4y squared is equal to 18. What do you get there? You get 12y squared plus 10y squared minus 4y squared is 18. Let's keep moving. And what do you get there? Let's see, you get 18y squared equals 18, and y squared is equal to 1. So y is plus or minus 1. I'll write that down for you. And again, we use this, so what's x? It's going to be minus twice that, so minus 2 and 2. All right, so I'm going to say that's done. Before you go forward, though, I want to claim that you should be staring at those answers in the key. So 2 minus 1, I'm seeing that, and the other answer is going to be minus 2, 1. I'm seeing that. We'll look at the graph later. I want to do the other one, but as I do that, I'm going to get rid of the distraction now. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. And I'm going to do the other one. And how do you do that? Well, I got to solve for either x or y. And I'm going to solve for, I think, x. Let's write this down. So x would equal 3/4 of a y. Got to plug this in. So it's going to be 3. Well, x is 3/4, right? 3/4 of a y squared minus 5, 3/4 y minus 4y squared is equal to 18. Well, let's take a look at this. You're going to get 27 over 16 y squared. This is more difficult to deal with. Minus 15 over 4y squared minus 4y squared is equal to 18. All right, much more difficult. I'm going to multiply both sides by 16. 27y squared minus 60y squared, and I'm multiplying by 16, so minus 64y squared, and then 16 times 18. I'll do that later, by the way. There's a point to it. I got to do this arithmetic now. So what do you get? Minus 124. So I'll put this down. 124, and I got to take away 27, right? That's going to give me what? Let's see. That'll be 3 left over. Minus 97. Y squared. Let's see if I did that right. Yeah, I think so. 16 times 18. All right, I'm going to keep moving along. And what do you get there? Y squared equals minus 16 times 18. There's a point to this, 97. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 97. And let's take a look at this. And y squared, let's see, minus 16, I get a 9, and then I get 2 times 97, which is 180 and 14, 194, over 97 squared. All right, so y equals plus or minus, definitely going to be an I. Square root of 4, 16 is 4, square root of 9 is 3, that's 12. Root 194 over 97, and much nastier number. So I'm going to write them down. I got 2 of them, and it's going to be 12i root 194 over 97, and the other one's going to be minus 12i root 194 over 97. I got to compute the x, and so I don't even remember what that is. It has to do with this thing over here. So it's just 3/4 of a y. Whoops, let's put this down. So 3/4, the x is 3/4 of the y. Well, that's pretty easy to do, actually, because 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 3 times 3 is 9. So you can get 9i root 194 over 97. And over here you can get minus 9i root 194 over 97. And these are complex numbers. Let's just get our grading done here and see if we did okay. Did I get this one? I did. Did I get this one? I did. I want to go to the graph now, and someone's on the other side of the graph. There's going to be two graphs. I should say two lines, and then this other object here. But let's just talk about these two lines first. X plus 2y. I'm going to write that down for you. Oh, boy. I put on what I'm talking about here. This one over here, and the other one's going to be 4x minus 3y equals 0. I want to identify those lines. This line over here is going to be y equals minus 1/2 of an x. And I want to just outline that for you. That's this line right over here. Okay, the other one, let me put that one down, this one over here. This is going to be y equals 4/3 of an x. And which line is that? Let's go for that. This is the line here, is this line over here, positive slope. Which I think is a rotated hyperbola. We only found two real points of intersection. I'll circle them for you, here and here. And again, looking at the graph, it looks pretty obvious. 2, minus 1. This over here is minus 2, 1. Did I get those solutions? Yep. I got the minus 2, 1, and I got the 2, minus 1. Things are working out as advertised. All right, before I forget, my name is Ron Bannon, and my email address is Bannon. I'll write that down for you. If you have any questions or concerns related to improving the document, please let me know. All right, thank you.